家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hey everyone, it's time for another Hakka song here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and this singer is from Taoyuan. Her name is Huang Yujuan, with her debut album that's called Long Sang Moi. And this song is titled I Want to Tell My Story with a Song. She beautifully narrates her childhood story. She grew up loving music and learned traditional Hakka songs from her grandmother. And this song captures her passion for singing and performing in snazzy and cheerful beats. Let's take a listen to I Want to Tell My Story with a Song.
When I was young, I listened to the radio. 我唱到Hakka歌 I love Hakka song. 落山歌，山歌字，还有平凡大家的中山歌。
山歌唱来闹连连，后来再唱。少年读书愛用心，最後要唱。摘茶愛摘兩三片，海家都愛半愛裝衫，愛唱希望嘅裝衫。
从小只要听到音乐就想唱歌的黄瑜娟，透过这首歌娓娓唱出她小时候的故事，包括跟着外婆学唱传统客家歌谣，以及之后征服各个歌唱比赛，享受在舞台上的一些掌声，唱出她对于唱歌还有舞台的喜爱。也希望大家喜欢这首《我要用一首歌说我的故事》。Well, thank you for listening to another Hakka song again by Huang Yujuan right here on ICRT. We will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.